Hello, friends. Welcome to another session of Learning 5 Words a Day. Never let your fear of the unknown and the things being too difficult make your choices for you in life. One of the saddest lessons in life is finding out that your fear made the situation worse than what it was, and a braver person stole the dream you gave up on, as quoted by Shannon L. Alder. So here I am with another set of killer 5 words starting with L. So let's get started. The first word of the day is labyrinth. Labyrinth means a complicated, irregular network of passages or paths in which it is difficult to find one's way, or in other words, a maze. Let's see some examples. The old building was a labyrinth of dark corridors. He was no stranger to the labyrinth of love. Finally, through a labyrinth of corridors, she found his office. The young boy started to cry when he could not find his way out of the labyrinth at the fair. So, if you're new to a place with a lot of streets and you're not able to make your way out, you get this feeling that you are trapped in a labyrinth. So, that's what labyrinth is all about. The next word of the day is lucid. Lucid means expressed clearly or easy to understand. Let's see some examples. His explanation was lucid and to the point. The CEO gave a clear and lucid account of her plans for the company's future. Because the medicine made Lisa drowsy, she was not very lucid. So, in this context, lucid has a meaning whether the person has full control of his senses or not. So, because Lisa had this medicine, she was not lucid, or in other words, she was not sane. The next word is lacuna. Lacuna means an unfilled space or a gap. Examples: there are still major lacuna in the material available. This essay is an attempt to fill in a small part of the lacuna. Because of a lacuna in her work history, the former stay-at-home mom had a hard time finding a job. So lacuna means a gap or a void that needs to be filled up. The next word is loquacious. Loquacious means tending to talk a great deal. That means the person is talkative. Examples: after drinking 3 to 4 beer, my normally quiet dad becomes quite loquacious. There's nothing worse than having a loquacious person sit next to you on an airplane, right? Especially if you are a reserved person. The next example: while Joel was shy and reserved, his twin brother Jeffrey was outgoing and loquacious. It means talkative. The normally loquacious Sita had nothing to say. So that's what loquacious means. The next word is leverage. Leverage means to use something to maximum advantage. Examples: her wealth gave her enormous leverage in social circles. The leverage I have against Bob should force him to vote for me as the next company president. We can gain a market advantage by leveraging our network of partners. The US has very little leverage in that part of the world. So, leverage means something that you have using which you can influence a situation or people so that you can get the things done which you want. That means you can get the intended results. So, friends, the 5 words of the day are labyrinth, lucid, lacuna, leverage, and loquacious. Let's try it out. Asha may appear quiet in social surroundings, but once she gets to know you, she is really loquacious. Even though he was drunk, Mohan insisted he was lucid and capable of driving home. So, Mohan meant that he has full control of his senses or faculties even though he was drunk. The player's popularity has given him a great deal of leverage with the owners of the team. It means he can influence the owners of the team. This is a lacuna that needs to be addressed. So, lacuna means void or gap. When Kriti became lost in the labyrinth, she tried to use her phone's GPS for directions. So, I hope you like the 5 words of the day. Friends, one of the best way to learn new words is to understand the context in which they are used, so that you can remember these words for a longer period of time and put them to practice. So thank you, and if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share. Bye.